Good morning, friends. Regarding management accounting, majority of the students feels that, sir, this paper is very tough to clear. Today, I'm giving the best suggestion to you to crack this management accounting with 50 plus marks in examination. Let's start today's session. Sir, within this less time, how can I crack this management accounting subject with 50 plus marks? Now, let's divide the entire syllabus into two parts. The first one is Introduction to Management Accounting, Divisional Performance Tools, Divisional Performance Measurement Tools, Decision Theory, and A/B Costing. Come to second part. Advanced level in standard costing, means advanced concepts in standard costing. That means only the variable overhead, fixed overhead, and reconciliation. And next, advanced concepts in marginal costing, nothing but decision involving in various alternatives, short term decision involving various alternatives. And advanced concepts in budgetary control. And final one is transfer pricing. There is a small theory chapter, that is responsibility accounting. Now, sir, entire syllabus is I am dividing into the two parts. One is Introduction to Management Accounting, Divisional Performance Tools, Decision Theory, A/B Costing, Responsibility Accounting. And second part is Standard Costing, Marginal Costing, Budgetary Control, and Transfer Pricing. Sir, before starting the preparation, before the examination, let's start with the introduction to the management accounting. Please prepare this chapter. Majority of the students take this chapter as a choice. Please don't leave that. Don't do that mistake. In introduction of the management accounting, there are the 4 to 5 theory questions are there. What is the difference between the financial accounting and management accounting? What is the difference between the cost accounting and management accounting? What are the roles of the management accountant? What are the recent developments? Now, if you read all these theory questions, definitely you will get 7 plus marks, excluding MCQs. Forgot about MCQs. You will get, definitely will get 7 marks theory question. Please remember that. Sir, no need to present exact answer. Just write relevant answer. That's sufficient. You will get good marks. Next. Next chapter is Divisional Performance Tools. Sir, this is a very biggest chapter. No, sir, this is a small chapter only. Sir, these divisional performance tools, in these divisional performance tools, the major examination area is EVA, ROI and RA, and learning curve. Please don't neglect these 3 concepts: EVA, ROI and RI. These 2 chapters are very easy: ROI and RI, EVA, and learning curve. Yes, there may be a chance there will be a coming theory question in examination in learning curve. Please don't neglect the theory in learning curve. EVA, ROI and RI, and learning curve. Please practice at least CRDA problems. Okay. Next, coming to the decision theory. Sir, in decision theory, there are the various alternatives are there, methods are there. That is criteria in decision making criteria in uncertain situations. Maxi max, maxi mini, mini max. Do you remember all this? Yes. Please practice that. Right. Just one problem is sufficient to practice all these methods. Okay, don't forget about this. After this, after completion of these methods, then move on to decision theory. There is only the one problem in material. Please practice that problem. Decision theory. Decision tree. Now, after completion of these two, come to the A/B costing. Our favorite chapter and easiest chapter. Yes, I agree. Please practice 2 to 3 questions from A/B costing and see the highlight points in remaining problems. The methodology is the same for all the problems. I agree with that. Please practice at least 2 to 3 problems. Definitely you will get the 10 marks. Definitely will get 10 marks from A/B costing, 7 marks from introduction, 14 marks from divisional performance tools, 10 marks from decision theory. 40 plus marks covered here, excluding MCQs. MCQs is there, 30 marks. Each MCQ will cover 2 marks. Now, each MCQ will carry 2 marks. If you read all these 4 chapters, definitely you will get 40 plus. And there is a small theory chapter is there, responsibility accounting. Please read the different types of responsibility centers and advantages. Just 2 to 3 advantages is sufficient. If you read all these 5 chapters, then you are in comfortable zone. No sir, comfortable zone is not my target. My target is 50 plus. Then come to the second area. That is advanced concepts in standard costing, advanced concepts in marginal costing, advanced concepts in budgetary control and transfer pricing. Let's come to the last chapter, transfer pricing. In transfer pricing, there is one problem is there. Limiting factor in transfer pricing. Please practice that problem. That is 2000 hours are available, 3000 hours are available. Please practice that problem. After that, before entering into this chapter, I already discussed some case studies with flowcharts. Please practice that case studies and flowcharts. Don't practice any other remaining problem. Just that case studies is a sufficient. And also limiting factor in transfer pricing. Just it will take 1 hour time. Please remember that. Then come to budgetary control. This is one of the easiest chapter. Please practice production budget, cash budget, sales budget. Don't forget to practice, give the more importance to the production budget, raw material purchase budget. Format is the same for all the problems. Production budget, raw material purchase budget, manpower requirement budget. Okay. Now, and also there is one problem on master budget. Please practice that problem also. Thereafter, after completion of these 4 problems, come to the standard costing. Sir, in standard costing, the major examination area is 2 areas. One is comprehensive problem, that is it covers all the variances and reconciliation. And second area is fixed overhead variances. Fixed overhead variance is generally in recent time the frequently asking in examination. Fixed overhead variance. Please practice fixed overhead variances. And one basic level problem on comprehensive. Why? Because the comprehensive problem is more useful to MCQs, to solve the MCQs. Please practice one problem on comprehensive problem. That means which covers all the variances. That is material variance, labor variance, variable overhead variance, fixed overhead variance, sales variance, and also reconciliation. Just one problem is sufficient. That problem is already covered in material. Please practice that problem. Thereafter, come to marginal costing. Just to prepare basics. Why? Because the basics is useful to clear the MCQs. Just to prepare basics only in marginal costing. That means that covered in paper number 8. If you practice like this, then you will get definitely 60 plus. Be confident. All the best.